everybody, thank you for joining me. Today we're going to do some work on the guitar top, but before we get to that, I want to tell you that the book has been completed. I've written the story, it's done. It's undergoing a few tweaks. If you'd like to know something about chasing after justice, then by all means go to montymckinnon.com and you'll be able to see a spot there, read a little bit about the book, and you'll have an opportunity to put your email address in there and be notified when we launch in the beginning of the new year at some point soon. So I don't know the exact date, but if you put your email in there, you'll be the first to know. And on launch day, we're going to have a special promotion for you. More on that as we get close to that. So by all means, go over there, register to be the first to know what's going on with Chasing After Justice. It's a good story, and I think you're going to like it. I'm so happy that it's finally done, and we're just tweaking a few things. You know, you got to check again for spelling errors and things like that, and we want to get rid of all of that if we can and make the book as perfect as we can possibly do. So by all means, come on, hop over there, montymckinnon.com, and sign up, and let's keep you informed as to what's going on with the book. Now, let's talk about the top. What we did with this particular guitar top was we glued a piece of support on the back, and we did that a couple of days back. I've been sick with this cold for 28 days. Have you ever heard of a cold for 28 days? This is something new to me. Something's going on, and I don't know what it is, but I don't know anybody that's had a cold for 28 days. That's insane. Anyway, here we are. And this is what we have done. We've got the back, and what I have here is this disc glued on here, and the grain is going this way while the grain of the top is going up and down. That's to give it more stability. Now what we're going to do is we are going to cut this out. We will take this very slowly and just see how we make out. That can actually go out just a bit. That's what I wanted to know. Okay. There we have it. There is our center. And there's our support ring running around the inside of the guitar. So we're still working on this. This is the brace that's going to go across. It's going to form the X brace. And what we're going to do in a moment is we're going to take it over here and we're going to glue it onto the top that we've got here. But what I want to do is I would like to show you up close here So we are back. This is all dry now, and we're going to pop these off real quick because it doesn't take much to get them off. And I'll show you what we've got. If you're using these rods, when you remove them, take your hand and your fingers and put it down at the bottom where it meets here, because you don't want this to spring off and go down onto your top and leave a dent in your top. It's just the way I do it, that's all. Now this go bar deck that I'm using here obviously is homemade. This is just 2 sheets of plywood that I've glued together. I shaped them, they're basically 24 inches square almost, and maybe 21 maybe. And then I drilled some holes through here, and I ran some rod up above. I've got some 2x3 on the rafter, and I drilled through the 2x3, and I also have this set up above the 2x3 to hold this in place, so it doesn't move at all. I could hang on this thing, and it'd be great. So you can make one of those at home yourself. All right, that's what we've got. And I can see down here, we're perfect. Oh my goodness, right in here where this line comes like this, it's directly on the center where I want it. We've got the next piece to go in across here, which you'll see us do in the next video. So all in all, we're looking pretty good. Oh, I'm really happy with this. This is going to be a very simple, plain looking top. I didn't want to do a lot of fancy around here, just enough to show you that it's there. That was about it. I just, personally, it's my choice that I like plain things like that. That's all. All right, we've done well. So it's time to head up and have a cup of tea. Thank you so much for joining me. Now don't forget to check out my book. It's montymckinnon.com. Just go in there and you'll see everything that you need to know at this point about the book. It is written. We're just doing a final couple of tweaks on it, and you'll be notified right away to get a sneak peek at what's inside that book. I know you're gonna like it. So by all means, check it out. See you in the next video. Bye for now. It's tea time. Oh yeah.